Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, Adiatu here, NaturallyAds on YouTube. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a natural hair protector style that was quick and easy. So I'm doing mini braids at the back and some cane rolls at the front. So I've obviously got another mini braids tutorial and I kind of used the same method that I did then. My hair was stretched both in braids overnight and then blow dried out after, but I didn't blow dry it that straight, but I blow dried it enough. So basically, I'm just going to let you guys watch the video. So the products I used was the Design Essentials cream, and then I used Marie's beeswax. But if you watch my mini braids tutorial, I talk about the products more in depth there. So in this video, I just wanted to show you guys what I did and to help anyone that wants to do some DIY hairstyles during this quarantine time. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys just watch the rest of the video.
Red leather music.
I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. Oh yeah, baby, pass me your love, oh yeah. You done drive me mad like damn for, yeah. Tell me, can I be your Eminado, yeah. Mama, just come up, baby, yeah. I say, waiting they want from us. Make you no send anyone but us. You ask me, waiting I want just love. You ask me, waiting I want just love. I'ma get you know you find past your body. And I dey thank God for your mommy. And if you see the thing where she carry, she be the type of girl I want marry. I wanna marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that thing. Marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby, baby. I don't go better, mole. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go better, mole. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I don't go very mole. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go very mole. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row.
Red leather music.
I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. Oh yeah, baby, pass me your love, oh yeah. You done drive me mad like damn for, yeah. Tell me, can I be your Eminado, yeah. Mama, just come up, baby, yeah. I say, waiting they want from us. Make you no send anyone but us. You ask me, waiting I want just love. You ask me, waiting I want just love. I'ma get you know you find past your body. And I dey thank God for your mommy. And And if you see the thing where she carry, she be the type of girl I want marry. I wanna marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that thing. Marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that. I wanna buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby, baby. I don't go where them all. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you. Oh, I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go where them all. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you. Oh, I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I might buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I don't go where them all. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you. Oh, I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go where them all. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you. Oh, I'ma get telling me large, I come.
Red leather music.
I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. Oh yeah, baby, pass me your love, oh yeah. You dey drive me mad like damn for, yeah. Tell me, can I be your Eminado, yeah. Mama Jack, come up, baby, yeah. I say, waiting they want from us. Make you no send anyone but us. You ask me, waiting I want just love. You ask me, waiting I want just love. I'ma get you know you find past your body. And I dey thank God for your mommy. And if you see the thing where she carry, she be the type of girl I want marry. I wanna marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that thing. Marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby, baby. I don't go where them all. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you. Oh, I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go where them all. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you. Oh, I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I don't go where them all. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you. Oh, I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go where them all. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you. Oh, I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row.
Red leather music.
I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Let me.
So as you can see, my hair is now complete. So this was the next day when I went to work, so I just pinned the sides down, and I was really happy with the braids, especially the cane rolls, because I don't really cane roll my hair that much anymore, and I thought it was a nice, cute, quick style. So I hope it was helpful to anyone or somebody out there, or if there's anyone that you know that it might be helpful to, do share it with them. So be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it, comment down below what you thought of this hairstyle, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!
Just love. You ask me waiting, I want just love. I'ma get you know you find past your body. And I thank God for your mommy.